When we face life's challenges with ease and strong mindset, nothing can sway us away from our desired path. Breathe, believe, bloom. Your journey awaits you. With the bliss in the morning, let me start my presentation. We are a certified and licensed counseling psychologist who helps individuals and corporates in their mental well-being and power growth. Talkspace is also a pro in navigating through human minds for their intellectual and emotional development. We've already been, these are my accreditations, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Bill and Melinda Gates. I am certified by the American School of Psychology, which has also been recognized by the Indian government. I would start my first LCD. These are my achievements, which I want to take you across. I've got 2 national awards this year, 23-24. What is wellness? To talk to you regarding wellness, this would be the kind of wellness would be about 6 to 8 different categories that we cater to, which be your intellectual wellness, your emotional well-being, your financial well-being. Financial well-being means your relation with the money and the best way to manage your resources. We also have spiritual wellness. When you feel contented with your own life, you reach peace and harmony within yourself. We have physical wellness, we have societal wellness, and the environmental wellness. All this is very important to complete a mankind. We need, as we have different stages in our life, the same is the different experiences that we need to keep fulfilling as we move on to our journey of life. And this is what we at Talkspace specialize in. The first LCD would be men's mental health. Men are from Mars. I guess all of us know this, right? So men being from Mars, they always are very headstrong in not taking support from anyone and always want to deal with whatever comes into their life all by themselves, which is what makes it very difficult for them at times to actually address to a lot of things, and they get into a lot of stress and anxiety due to the same. If you know, the highest rate of heart attacks are also been happening to men. So we at Talkspace are here to support them in every way possible. The expertise that we would really that we could help them in would be our work-life balance, stress and anxiety, social and personal life enhancement. PTSD is post-trauma stress disorder. Substance abuse. Substance abuse would be like alcohol, drugs, anything they are addicted to. Loneliness, behavioral issues. A lot of anger which we see in men is due to the frustrations which has not been spoken out. That's what we specialize in, that we could support them into the understanding of their anger and deal with it even more efficiently. Family conflicts. I think all of us know what does family conflicts mean and how much it could affect us. Men in India is considered as still the head of the family. So when the head of the family is troubled, obviously the entire family also has to go through the same set of problems. And we also specialize in pre-will counseling. When people have to make the counseling, the will, that's when we support them in how to, what is the right way and the right approach of making their will. My contact spheres would be corporates, advocates, legal advisors, CA and financial advisors, chain of retail stores and hotels, surgeons and specialty doctors, real estate builders and developers, business coach and soft skill trainers. My second LCD is pre-wedding and relationship counseling. As men are from Mars, women are also from Venus. So the conflict which goes in is definitely natural. It's something that all of us know. Men and women are poles apart, but the kind of harmony that they can develop to build a strong family life can be done only when they respect each other's differences and understanding that they can come up with a beautiful family life which gives them a lot of joy and happiness. What are the areas that we expertise in? Marital relationship, relationship with parents, which is again very important. Work relationship. How is your work related to you? Do you really relate to it, or you're just doing it for the sake of doing it? The fulfillment at work is what we help you with. Family relationships, societal, the relationship with people around you. How do you connect with them, and how do you upgrade yourself with their journey too? societal and pre-wedding counseling. Pre-wedding counseling is a very important concept nowadays because if you see, the rate of divorce is very high in the first month of the wedding. So we ensure that we give them the kind of counseling which helps them develop a harmony and understanding with each other's differences and respect it towards and beyond. The contact spheres would be wedding planners, jewelers, fashion designers, wedding photographers, HNI, high networking Indians, NRIs, people living abroad. Indians living abroad need a lot of counseling because they always feel lonely since they don't have a surrounding with them. And matrimonial service providers. Next, I'm coming to my third LCD would be teen and adolescent younger adults. Today's Zen have a lot of exposure and access to a lot of things which we can't even think of, which always leads to a roller coaster through their teens and younger adult stage. That's why we supporting them is very important. Teen and adolescents is what we take care. Cyber addiction, fears and phobias, human sexual activity, behavior, bullying, competency issues that children go through is what we support. What is my contact sphere for the same? Schools, colleges, institutions, gaming or sports clubs, pediatric doctors, recreational clubs, family, friends and apartment owners association. I'm also a certified sports psychologist where I can coach the entire team for their games ahead. Why Talkspace? I am one of the counselors, or my team of counselors are already programmed to not only give just the counseling aspect. It's just not a trauma that we are trying to deal with. We're trying to ensure that their everyday life is really dealt in the right perspective and the right way. We also give a touch of numerology, me being a master's in numerology, because counseling and numerology goes hand in hand. It helps me decoding and uncoding a person's mind more strongly. These are the programs that we do. The 360 degrees program is for the best version of you. Harmony of both worlds, where we ensure we create harmony between your inner and the outer mind of yours. We have the corporate wellness program, Know Yourself Better sessions, women empowerment and sports psychology. These are for the corporates and for the groups. These programs are for the individual and family well-being, one step at a time, teen and adolescents behaviors. We have numerology sessions, but with counseling, just not numerology. I just don't do numerology, it's mixed with counseling. Pre-bill consultation, as I said, relationship, know yourself better sessions, geriatric power sessions. This is for the older people, the senior citizens. I will just take 30 more seconds to share a video. That's it. These are my gifts. Yes, we will talk in detail during our one-to-one. Due to my confidentiality certificate, I can't talk much. So I would not be able to share that aspect. But this is me again.